shadows moving, souls that fly. Carry me where the wild hearts stay. Life and death, just a breath away.
Yo, I walk the fields where the starlings rise. Patterns in the sky like painted signs. Every beat a message, every wing's a prayer. Whispers of the earth, hanging in the air. I'm the starling whisperer, listen to the sound. Voices of the wild, flowing all around. Life is fragile, heartbeat, then it's gone. So I move with the murmur, carry on.
Lift your eyes, watch the heavens sway. The starlings dance, they show the way. One breath, one heartbeat, here we stay. Life and death, just a step
Crowds of wings, they bend and sway. 1,000 souls in the dusk ballet. Every shape they form is a sign I read. From the pulse of the earth to the smallest seed. Man forgets, but the sky reminds that nature's voice is the truest kind. Listen close and you hear it too. Starlings whisper truth back into you.
Lift your eyes, watch the heavens sway. The starlings dance, they show the way. One breath, one heartbeat, here we stay. Life and death, just a step away.
When the night falls deep and the silence speaks, I hear the rhythm of the flock in my heartbeat, guiding me steady through the dark and cold, teaching me wisdom more precious than gold.